Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you a cabin tour of room 15625 on the cruise ship ARVIA, which is a P&O cruise ship. So as you can see, this is a balcony cabin with a double bed and then a pull down bunk bed as well. So I really hope you enjoy. So starting off behind the door, and as you can see there's a map of the ship and also some safety instructions including life jackets and a peephole to see who's knocking at your door. Then we've got some coat hooks here, and also they're good for hanging long dresses too. So all of the walls in this room are magnetic as well, so if you wanted to attach anything you are able to. Now moving around, we've got the double bed here with two small bedside tables either side. They've also got night lamps and charging points, and there's a really cute little mirror decoration above the bed too. And panning round, you can see the sofa and a little side table there. So this is where the bunk bed comes out of the ceiling, and this is what the bunk bed looks like when it's all made up. So very cute, and you wouldn't really expect it, I guess, as well. So here's the fridge, kettle, TV and desk. So there's a vanity unit there to get ready in the morning with a mirror if you'd like to. And here's the bathroom with another great mirror with great lighting as well. Lots of storage for your essentials, a toilet, sink, towel racks, and moving round, here is the shower. So as you can see, there's White Company products within the shower, and then there's also a washing line to be able to hang up all your clothes on whilst they're drying. So moving on, here is the balcony. So as you can see, it's quite small and there is a deck above that's overhanging, so you can't really get that much direct sunlight, but it has got two chairs and a small table here. You are also able to see into next door's balcony slightly too, which I guess would be good if you had a family that you know next door. So next, moving back inside, we've got wardrobes. So as you can see, here are the life jackets with the muster station on and some hanging space for some jackets, dresses, etc. Then moving around into the next wardrobe, we have 6 shelves here to be able to put all your other clothes and shoes and everything like that. A really good tip that we found was using packing cubes to be able to store things neatly. Then here we've got a safe, a hairdryer, and also some more hanging space for you. Then as you can see here, there's a bedside lamp, a reading lamp, under the lights, a small USB port too. There's a bit of storage above the TV, and as I mentioned before, here's the upper bed too. And then moving into the fridge, so obviously ours is very full from our own stuff, but there is room service and you are able to store all your stuff there. So regarding chargers, like I mentioned before, there's the bedside USB and also a charging point here. So onto the main charging points, there's only 2, and you can't actually put a shaver plug in this one here. It's actually a European charging point. So you could always bring a European adapter to make use of the third plug. If you did want to use your shaving plug, you would have to purchase this adapter before going on board, and then you'd be able to charge your shaver or your toothbrush or anything like that. So there are phones in the rooms, and you can use your phone to call other rooms or leave messages for other rooms, as well as all the normal things like phoning reception. There are some cute little towels every now and then that they do as well that I just had to include. There's also a night light here and one above the shower when using the toilet at night, and these can be switched off by the switch by the bed. So as I mentioned before, all of the walls are magnetic, and there's actually this cute little sign here which shows when you need your room making up in the morning or in the evening, or if you wanted to have a lie-in and didn't want to be disturbed, you can put this sign on instead. Here's the very small space between the wardrobe and the bed, so just to let you know, it's a very tight room. And now moving outside, all of the lifts have the deck plans on which show you all the different areas. I've also actually filmed a video of like a cruise ship tour, so if it's up already I'll link it below, but if not, please subscribe because you've got that to look out for too. Thanks for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this video and it's been informative, but if I've missed anything out, please comment down below. Please subscribe if you like this kind of thing, and hopefully we'll see you soon.